these faculties are best among every other platform. मैंने पहले भी देखे हैं सर बाकी प्लेटफॉर्म पे, पर दीज आर बेस्ट वन। क्रिस्प, शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट और क्रिस्प और कॉन्सेप्चुअल टीचिंग करवाई है सर बहुत। स्पीड का सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया, मेरे सीनियर्स ने बताया कि स्पीड हैरिसन का कवर टू कवर वो कवर कर लेते हैं हर चीज को, आपको एक्स्ट्रा एडिशनल कुछ पढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं रहता। तो मैंने स्पीड का 6 सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया था, स्पीड के नोट्स भी मंगवाए थे।
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Ghanshyam for scoring a rank 29 in DM Medical Group Super Speciality in NEET SS 2025. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
So great to have you in this session. Thanks for your time, valuable time allocated for us to share your experiences and also for the benefit of the students. Thank you.
यस, थैंक यू सर।
Can we get to know from where you started? Brief background about yourself.
I take a speed subscription. Then I started preparation seriously. In last 6 months, I prepared from Speed app and Speed Notes completely. No other platform. After doing QBank, I will whenever सर जब गलत हो जाता था मेरे कुछ रॉन्ग, तो मैं रेट्रोस्पेक्टिवली हैरिसन से पढ़ लेता था। अदरवाइज मैंने स्पीड नोट्स एंड स्पीड वीडियोस से मल्टीपल टाइम रिवाइज किया, 2 to 3 टाइम्स।
Great.
डॉक्टर
Fantastic.
जोबन सर रूममेट की फैकल्टी है, डॉक्टर जोबन सर है, और गेस्ट्रो के फैकल्टी मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते थे, मैंने उनसे सारा पढ़ा है सर।
Very nice. So great to hear, and faculties will be very happy listening to your great words and appreciation from you. And very good. Your undergraduation, post graduation from which college, Doctor?
Sir, my undergraduation is from SNMC Medical College, Jodhpur, and my post graduation is from SMS Medical College, Jaipur.
Superb. Great institutions and wonderful accomplishment. And when you completed your PG program?
Sir, last month only, in December 25.
Wow. Back to back. Huh? You are a rock star, I mean, as you look also, and the way you have done also. Huh? I mean, too good, amazing. Huh? I mean, mind blowing and very inspiring you are. Great. Great to know
Yes, sir.
your success story. Can you tell us something more on your preparation strategy? I mean, what specialty you want to do? Super specialty.
Gastro, sir, gastro.
Wow.
I want to do gastro. मैंने सर एग्जाम भी दिया था INISS का, उसमें मेरा रैंक 33 था सर, मेरा इंटरव्यू में थोड़ा खराब हो गया था।
Okay.
मैंने गेस्टो से प्रिपेयर किया था, मुझे गेस्टो के सर बहुत अच्छे लगते थे, उनसे पढ़ के मैं गेस्टो से इंस्पायर हुआ था सर।
Correct. Yes. So, what is the plan? You are going to give your NESS April also?
Yes, sir, I am trying to prepare for that.
Very good, very good. Because you are just on the place and it's just 1 or 2 marks, you're in. And
Yes, sir.
we wish that you are in by next time as well. Okay.
Yes.
So, how long is your preparation? When your preparation started? When did you start your preparation? I mean, is it what exactly 6 months back, or you started during your residency period? What all you did? Can you be a
Sir,
little bit?
initially I used to do study from a standard textbook like Harrison. Before that, वार्ड में जो भी पेशेंट होते थे, जब कोई टॉपिक मिल जाता था, कुछ सर बोल देते थे, तो पढ़ लेते थे जाके। 6 मंथ बैक मैंने स्पीड का सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया, मेरे सीनियर्स ने बताया कि स्पीड हैरिसन का कवर टू कवर वो कवर कर लेते हैं हर चीज को, आपको एक्स्ट्रा एडिशनल कुछ पढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं रहता। तो मैंने स्पीड का 6 मंथ बैक सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया था, स्पीड के नोट्स भी मंगवाए थे, और फिर मैंने मल्टीपल टाइम 2 to 3 टाइम्स मैंने वीडियोस और नोट्स को कंप्लीटली पढ़ा है सर। और मैंने एमडी एग्जाम के लिए भी स्पीड के नोट्स का यूज किया था, उसी
Oh,
से थ्योरी एंड प्रैक्टिकल बहुत यूजफुल।
very nice. Very nice. Excellent.
यस सर।
Now, how many questions were you able to attend this exam?
सर आई अटेम्प्टेड 148 क्वेश्चन सर।
Very good. Now, can you comment on this paper? Was this paper of a PG exit standard or little super specialty was also there? Or all the questions are from basically from Harrison? I mean, how it was for you?
सर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम हैरिसन। लास्ट सेक्शन सी सेक्शन था सर, वो थोड़ा अनएक्सपेक्टेड था, उसमें सर एनवायरनमेंट एंड टॉक्सिकोलॉजी पे उन्होंने ज्यादा फोकस किया हुआ था, जो अनएक्सपेक्टेड था। यूजुअली हम उसको छोड़ देते हैं, पढ़ते नहीं है तो उसमें सर गलत उसी में गलत हुए थे थोड़े काफी। बाकी तो सब अच्छा था सर, बाकी तो स्पीड के नोट्स से ही था सारा सर।
Yes, because generally toxicology and environmental medicine omit on preparation. But
We don't read usually sir.
the point is it is tough for everybody. So the paper has been equalized. It is not
Yes
that
sir.
it is benefit for someone. Everybody has the
Specialty questions were sir moderately tough, not so tough.
So, what will be your message for the future aspirants of DM Medical Group?
Sir, my message is I- do QBank first after reading notes or whatever platform you are using. Then retrospectively go to Harrison and try to find what is wrong with you like this. This this helped me a lot. I am not able to read Harrison cover to cover sir. मैंने नहीं पढ़ा हैरिसन को कवर टू कवर। मैंने क्यू बैंक से वापस रेट्रोस्पेक्टिवली जाके देखा, जो मुझे टफ लगा मैंने उसको क्लियर किया। इसी तरह से पढ़ा है मैंने सर।
Great. So, I want to ask you a question on behalf of all the faculties. There are so many apps are available today in the market. Then why do you choose speed? And what was your experience with speed for this exam? How relevant it was, not for the interview. I want your honest opinion.
सर ग्रेट। कुछ कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स थे जो मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे, लाइक न्यूरोलॉजी, कार्डियोलॉजी, रोमेटोलॉजी एंड गैस्ट्रो। दीज फैकल्टीज आर बेस्ट अमंग एवरी अदर प्लेटफॉर्म। मैंने पहले भी देखे हैं सर बाकी प्लेटफॉर्म पे, पर दीज आर बेस्ट वन।
The
उन्होंने
course.
बहुत ही क्रिस्प क्रिस्प शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट और क्रिस्प और कॉन्सेप्चुअल टीचिंग करवाई है सर, बहुत अच्छा है।
So, how it was relevant to the exam?
It is relevant to both exam and for practical purpose also.
Okay. It's both for the
It
knowledge.
helped it helped me in theory exam for MD also, and practical exam MD, and then also for this NEET exam and INSS exam.
Okay. Faculties will be very happy again listening to you, to your words, because it'll be really motivating because they're working in the back end. And they felt do the best so the students can go to the next level.
Yes
So
sir, yes sir.
appreciate you and also the faculty who are working on this to help all the students and you as well. And great.
Thank you sir. Thank
Yeah.
you sir.
Yeah. So now, what is that one thing that you felt during preparation that you want to share? If I want to share, what is that you want to share with the juniors? That do this like that.
Always do QBank. QBank is most important sir. Rather than reading, this is not helpful. मैं मैंने सिर्फ क्यू बैंक किया है, क्यू बैंक से ही मेरे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुए हैं। बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट है जो पहले क्लियर नहीं हुए थे, लेकिन मैंने जब क्यू बैंक किया मेरे रॉन्ग हुए, मैंने वापस आकर रेट्रोस्पेक्टिवली एडिशन में देखा, तब मेरे बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुए। तो क्यू बैंक करना बहुत जरूरी है सर।
Great. Doctor, time to thank and whom all you want to thank. You feel that they helped you from day one till date, being part of your career.
थैंक यू सर।
And whom
थैंक
want
यू
to
सो
thank? You can use this platform to thank. Whomever you want to thank, that they helped you from day one till date. If you want to thank
मच।
any,
डॉक्टर जोबन सर, माय
okay.
फेवरेट टीचर।
And also you can look into your medical college, your family, I mean, whoever has helped you to prepare. I mean, if you want to thank, you can thank all of them.
सर माय गाइड ड्यूरिंग एमडी डॉक्टर विष्णु शर्मा सर, डीएम हेमाटोलॉजिस्ट है सर मैं। तो वो मेरे गाइड थे, उन्होंने मुझे बहुत मोटिवेट किया।
Okay. Great, doctor. I'm very, very happy to make an interview with you. You are very clear, open, straightforward, and clarity with focus. And
Sir, when I try to speak in English, I have Broca's aphasia, sir. I can't speak in English.
that's okay.
No, my
Language,
fluency disturbed.
कोई problem नहीं है वो ऐसा problem नहीं है. I mean, it's all about the feeling. It's all about
It also happened during my INSS interview, sir.
uh,
During interview, I also face difficulty in speaking in English.
we can talk in Hindi also. People understand whatever you talk. No issues. Don't bother about it. Language is not an issue at all in medicine. Suppose
Yes,
what
sir.
we
Yes, sir.
feel, that's what is important. What we convey, that's what is important. Okay,
Yes, sir.
everybody can understand all languages. So ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हाँ,
हाँ सर, हाँ सर।
सोल्यूशन है. वो सोल्यूशन है वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So don't feel that way. Don't feel that way at all. Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes,
you
sir.
are a rock star. I'm telling you, you are a rock star. And a day will come that country will look up to you as a medical gastroenterologist. You mark my words. This interview, you just store it for a day. You store it in
Thank
your
you, sir.
hardware also. And
Thank you, sir.
you see this video 5 years from now. Same video I'm saying. See this same video 5 years now. If you are not a hot star, okay,
Yes, sir.
I just leave do what I'm doing. I'm promising you that. You will be an amazing personality in the field of medical gastroenterology. You mark my words.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So grateful to you, sir.
I'm telling you this. And after 5 years, if we are in communication, if I'm available, I mean, we can rediscuss this as well.
सर सर जो आपका वीडियो था यूट्यूब पे रिसेंट 22nd एडिशन के लिए, उसके बाद मैंने वापस से 22nd एडिशन का दोबारा देखा था। मैंने एक बार 21st एडिशन से पढ़ लिया था मैंने सारा, फिर वापस से देखा स्पीड पे जो भी आया था लेक्चर सारे।
Yes,
फिर मैंने क्या 21st देखने के बाद मैंने नोट से पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया था, लेकिन जब आपका यूट्यूब पे वीडियो आया तो मैं वापस वीडियोस पे गया, 22nd एडिशन के सारे वीडियोस देखे कंटिन्यूसली।
great. Superb, you are. And I congratulate you for all the hard work and dedication, the persistence you have done. Irrespective of so many difficulties that you had, you broke everything and you did what the best you can, and the best came to you. God has blessed you an amazing rank and a topmost rank.
थैंक यू सर।
And this
थैंक
God
यू
will
सर।
give you, then what do you want more than this? Okay, so wish you all the best. And
I I want to thank Dr. Jogan sir from my side.
yes, this video he will see and he'll be very happy in seeing this. I'll forward this to him.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, wish you all the best and all the success. Bye bye. Thank you.